Today I'm going to show you guys how I print and wrap these custom Hershey bars that I made for my nephew's birthday party. We're using these Hershey bars as invitations with all the information printed on the golden ticket. The template that I downloaded off Etsy includes both the outer Hershey wrapper label and the golden ticket. However, keep in mind that I did have to go in and make some changes, like resize the files in Photoshop, because the original files were too big for the 1.55 ounce Hershey bars that I am working with. And with that in mind, let's get started.